Welcome to Galaxy Blaster, a thrilling space shooting game built using Python and Pygame. In this short video, I'll walk you through the rules, the code, and a live demo of how it works. Before we jump into the code, let's quickly understand the rules of the game. Let's now look at how Galaxy Blaster works under the hood. We start by importing Pygame, Random, and Sys modules. Then we initialize the game window with dimensions 800 x 600. We also load background images and define ship, bullet, and enemy visuals. The game is organized using three main classes: ship, bullet, and enemy. The game loop handles updates 60 times per second. It checks for events like key presses, updates bullet and enemy positions, detects collisions, and draws everything on the screen. Now let's see Galaxy Blaster in action. You can restart instantly by pressing R or quit using escape. That was Galaxy Blaster, a beginner-friendly Python game using OOP and real-time graphics. If you enjoyed this, imagine what else we can build using Python.